Hello, Mr. Heap here, and today I'm going to talk to you about protecting your Minecraft world. Sometimes some evildoers will come through and damage your world, and what you need to do is protect it from these evildoers. So one tool that you have is you can say mc.save checkpoint. This is what you do when you have something that's awesome and you want to keep it awesome. And then if somebody comes through, enters your world and starts damaging it, or even if you damage it, and you want it back to your saved checkpoint, you just do mc.restore checkpoint, run that, and it comes back. Wonderful. Now, if you want to totally prevent somebody from ruining a world, the best way to do this is mc.setting, and in quotes we use the words world immutable. Immutable is a programming word for unchangeable. And then we use a comma and then say true. So make sure you use a comma there. And so when we do that, nothing can be damaged in your world. You or anyone else cannot break any blocks. You can program blocks, but you cannot break them on your own.